Good morning. Today I wanted to show you how to attach a document that you need to turn into an assignment on Google Drive or on Google Classroom. So you can see here on the Classroom that it says that Mrs. Jordan posted a new assignment, Polar Bear Adaptations Google Drawing. And that has a little clipboard next to it, and that's the icon that helps you know that that's something you need to turn in. When it's just an announcement and I'm sharing links, it shows my picture. But when you need to turn something in, it has that little clipboard. So I'm going to click on it to see more about the assignment. And it says, make sure you have 4 body adaptations and 1 text box with your name before you turn in your work. Then you'll add your Google drawing to this assignment, then turn it in. Now, that's the instruction section. Over here is a box that says your work. Okay, so as you can see in the assignment, it said add your Google drawing. So the word add is here. We see that plus sign, so we're going to click because we want to add our work. And we saved the polar bear adaptations to our Google Drive. So that first choice says Google Drive. So if I click on that, I will be saying, I want to add something from my Google Drive. So I'll click there. And it says then, which file would you like to insert using Google Drive? And it will automatically put your most recent things at the top. And so since you've just finished your assignment, you should see your polar bear there. So I'm going to click on which one I want to turn in, and I had named it with Primary Library, and add it. You can see it's showing that it's attaching it by making that little blue progress. And now you can see that my drawing is here, and now there's the blue button that says Turn In. So the assignment said add your Google drawing, which you did, then turn it in. So click on the blue box. It says you want to turn in this work, and you will say turn it in. Now this is the first time you're turning in work, so it may pop up with some instructions or helpful tips from Google about how you do it. If that happens where it's talking to you and teaching you how to turn in work, you read what the pop-up says and then you can say, okay, got it. Now that it's turned in, you'll notice it says turned in, and if you really needed to take back what you turned in, you can click on submit, but you should be fine because you read the instructions, made sure that what you turned in had everything you needed, and now you finished your assignment.